Another add-in that I wanted to show you is used in Word, and it is very similar to a more familiar add-in that's called Grammarly. This one that I'm going to show you is called GradeProof, and it is a proofreading tool that helps students go through as they're writing to make sure that grammar and spelling and eloquency are focused on within their writing to make sure it's the best that they can get. So I'm going to go here to insert in my add-ins, and I'm going to add it to my toolbar over here, and it says correct and improve, the GradeProof. So if I was typing a document, or if students were typing a document and I wanted to kind of keep a running check on the way things are going, you can see that it would pull up this little chart for me, and it says that there are corrections, or I like to call them suggestions even sometimes, because some of the grammar may be what you want to say and it may have a suggestion for another way. But so it gives you suggestions over here if there are any. And I also like this down here. This down here is where it keeps a running total of the character count, of how many words you have, how many sentences, even the syllables that you're averaging per word. And I really like that it tells you how long the reading time or speaking time is. So if you're typing a speech or something that you're going to have to share in front of people, it's a really good way to see how long it's going to take you to read it, or if someone is going to having to speak it, how long it's going to take to share it that way. And also, the more you type, obviously, the higher your grade level would go, and depending upon the words and vocabulary that you're using would depend on the grade level, which I find intriguing as you're typing, and it makes you think about the words that you're using. So I really like this tool, and I think the students would like to use it, and I think it would be beneficial to help students feel like they are capable of making changes and corrections and proofreading their own work without always depending on somebody else. And it kind of catches the little easy mistakes that they might make without someone else having to tell them, which might help with their confidence. So I think this is a great tool to use. You can also go online and insert any type of text. If you've already created a document and it might not be in Word, you can always cut and paste and put it in here, or you can upload a document and it'll do the same thing over here that you would see in Word. So I think this is a really great tool that everybody should try out with their students.